Doug adeptly saved me from unnecessary expenses. He replaced a clutch pulley on my alternator, eliminating the noise. In another instance, he diagnosed my faulty alternator and aided in finding a replacement. I highly endorse him for vehicular electrical troubleshooting. Doug and his team exemplify reliability and dependability. They masterfully rebuilt twin alternators and generators for a 1938 Garwood. Now I look forward to their work on a 1911 Kermath Marine. Their dedication is unmatched. Years ago, Doug swiftly provided me with a unique marine regulator. Today, he guided me in modifying generic brushes for my anchor winch motor, offering a cost-effective solution. I appreciate his consistent excellence. During an electrical crisis with my 3 vintage cars, Doug promptly repaired 2 starters and supplied a replacement alternator, ensuring minimal downtime. His rates are reasonable, and I can't recommend him enough. I frequently turned to auto electric rebuilders. Doug's patience and expertise never fail to impress.